Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your daily 5-minute turbo update. Today, October the 24th, and we are starting now 5 minutes, I promise. And here we are. First of all, here is TradingView on the daily. We should buy Bitcoin, big time frame, okay. But on the 4 hours, we should sell Bitcoin. Watch this. On the 2 hours, we should sell Bitcoin. And yes, on the 1 hour also, we should sell Bitcoin. That's not good, guys. We are checking this now. Not today, the coin market cap, it's too short for 5 minutes, but we are going on with this one here. This is the dominance for Bitcoin. You can see the dominance is going down for the moment, 44%. This is the time maybe for the altcoins and not so good for Bitcoin because the dominance is going down more and more. We lost the middle line. The next thing, guys, I found this. This is a bullish pattern. I found this on the 1 hour time frame. And you can see here, we had a bad downtrend here, a bad dump to the downside, but this last patterns here, I can show you, these are positive patterns. Look at this, on the 1 hour. A doji star, a bullish reversal. Yes, we're going down, bullish reversal, bam, up to the upside. And a bullish engulfing. This is also a bullish sign, a bullish pattern. So 2 bullish pattern now on the 1 hour time frame. This would be maybe a next opportunity for an upgoing price. Remember, we have Sunday, maybe Bloody Sunday. But this is this pattern and it's maybe bullish. Guys, let's move on. Here is Bitcoin, the 1 hour time frame for Bitcoin. You can see we had here a downgoing channel, here a parallel channel, and we have now a sideways. We broke out and we are going sideways, but we have to draw it new, guys. This is our bad downtrend. You can see we lost the big uptrend, this parallel channel. Now we're going down. We have to make it red because it's a bearish parallel channel to the downside. You can see we had a really nice uptrend, the green one. Now we broke out to the downside. We are in the red downtrend. You can see we lost the middle line. We are under the middle line. Here we had a fight, and now we are on this position going sideways a little bit. Under the middle line is always bearish, guys. We have to watch this really, really, really. From the downside, you can see we have the first pivot point. Talked about the first pivot point yesterday. Please watch the video from yesterday if you are not knowing what is this pivot point. And we have on the downside the 0.786 Fibonacci at 57,100 as the next big support. But I hope this first pivot support point will hold. I hope this, guys. This would be really, really, really important. Guys, before the 3 minutes are over, TikTok and Instagram, only 3 minutes possible. So this is a really, really fast update for Bitcoin. And on YouTube, I can make it longer. So on YouTube, there's a 5-minute tube update, and we're keep going on with YouTube. On the downside, we have the RSI. You can see we had here a downgoing line here. We broke out this line of the RSI and going sideways a little bit. And now look at this, guys. On the downside, we have now a nice support line. As long as we're over the support line, everything is fine for the RSI. We can move on to the upside. But if we will break it to the downside, attention, guys. We have to keep this in our minds. You can also see this in my live stream. 24 hours, 7 days a week. And now the next thing, guys, let's check the daily. And let me show you the Ichimoku. I showed you the Ichimoku for some days here. Ichimoku. And now you can see the blue line. What is this blue line? I told you this in a video for about some days. Please watch this. We are now under the blue line. Yesterday under the blue line, today under the blue line. It's the big resistance for the moment. And you can see the red line on 54,000. That's our next support if we are watching this Ichimoku. So not so nice for the moment. Not so nice. First pivot point, I showed you downgoing parallel channel. I showed you we keep moving here with the ribbon band. I'm in a hurry. 5 minutes are really short. Ribbon band is here. You can see the ribbon band is here on 58,100. It's the next big support if we will lose the first pivot support. And then we have to watch it on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, our big problem is the ribbon band. You can see it. We are now under the ribbon band. Yes, it's still a green one. But if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see this ribbon band is coming like a wave over our heads. This one here, this point. And maybe if we keep going under this ribbon band, maybe we will see soon a red ribbon band and a short signal. This would be really bad on the 4 hour. We need green ribbon bands and we are still for the moment in a long signal. But guys, attention. Maybe we will see this soon. Remember, Sunday, Bloody Sunday maybe. On the 1 hour time frame, here is our biggest problem for the moment. We are for the first under ribbon band, and the biggest problem is the EMA 200. I told you this yesterday. We saw nice backs over this EMA 200, but we are now under the EMA 200. And no, guys, I would not make a long position here. I'm out of the trade. I'm out of Bitcoin for the moment, waiting what's going on here. If we will see a confirmed closing candle over the EMA 200, I will try a next buy in. But for the moment, I'm not in this. For the moment, I'm in some altcoins. I will talk about this maybe in another video. I'm in Solano really big. I'm in some other altcoins. I will show you this maybe on another video. But this is Bitcoin. And for the moment, I'm not in Bitcoin. Okay, guys, remember, Ribbon Band, EMA 200, you can see this on my live stream 24 hours, 7 days a week. And guys, these 5 minutes are over now. You know everything you need to know for the downside. And guys, I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short from here. I wish you make millions. Have a nice time. Greetings and thanks, guys. Special thanks for all my supporter. With nice words, with thumbs to the upside, with sharing all over the internet, or with real support on Twitch, spending YouTube or something like this. Guys, thank you. Bye-bye, yours Biti.